let me just continue from what you've said in that interview, is that the film is quite contrary to what people think about one-night stands. I believe that the subject could only be handled better by a woman, so I decided to helm the project. So, how do you say it's contrary to what people think?
No, I want to portray another idea of what it would be. It's not that it could be only helmed by a woman. I think we have brilliant directors who can handle sex, sexual subjects and issues really well and sensitively. It would be a woman's perspective this time. And actually मेरी फिल्म वही है कि कुछ सही और गलत नहीं होता है, देखने का एक नज़रिया होता है.
It's basically one shouldn't judge.
Why are we? I mean, if I'm fighting gender inequality, I should be giving equal credit to my male counterparts as well.
Right.
And I am a new director. I still have to prove myself on what I'm doing.
Right.
So I have no right to comment anything on anyone else. So I would refrain from that.
Absolutely. And in your personal life, I think you're having quite a bit of like an equal relationship with your husband, Tony D'Souza. He's been very, very supportive of this venture of yours and all the events he has been participating in.
He is the reason for this venture of mine.
Why do you say that?
I was at home one day and I was doing my little things, taking care of the family, cooking, baking, the stuff that I usually do. He calls me up and he says, there is this project that someone's putting together. I want you to direct it. I'm like, what? He says, yeah, we are trying to put... And it was just that. So we started working towards it because what we thought it would be a different perspective of a woman presenting it rather than a man. We generally have scenes from a man's perspective. Let's get a different side of it. Isliye he said, why don't you do it? And I have worked with him. I've been working with him for the last 18-19 years now. I've assisted him on his films. So I love doing creative things. So I was game, and it excited me. We've always worked together. He has never, in fact, said that I can't do anything ever. So, अगर वो नहीं होते तो I don't think this would have been possible.
क्या बात है, fantastic. Okay, and Jasmine has been a VJ, and she has done modeling as well, and a lot of wonderful stuff. So tell us about your journey so far in show business.
Well, I started about 18-19 years ago, 19 years ago, and oops, that shows how old I am.
But it doesn't, like, looking at you, it doesn't look like that at all. It must have been like 13, 14 maybe when you started.
Yeah,
out.
right. Thank you for boosting the confidence. But yeah, I used to model. I've done television. I've hosted shows. I've done live shows. Along the way, done pretty much a lot of other things as well. Have always loved being in a creative space. So I used to actually, another part of it that you probably wouldn't know, I used to have a graphic design studio for a while as well. So I was into the print media. Anything that's creative, I like it. But उसके साथ साथ हमेशा मेरे हस्बैंड के साथ, टोनी के साथ काम करती आई हूँ behind the scenes. मैं हमेशा उनसे कहती थी कि अगर उनके पास थोड़ा सा बजट हो, उस वक्त वो म्यूज़िक वीडियोस काफ़ी बनाते थे
जी.
तो बजट हो तो वो कोई दूसरी अच्छी वाली मॉडल लेकर आते थे. बजट नहीं हो तो जैस्मिन तो खड़ी हो जाए यार. घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. So that's what we've been married for 17 years. It's been a wonderful journey. क्या बोले? I think it's a natural progression. कभी वो यही नहीं हुआ था कि ये behind the scenes है, ये आगे है. जो रोल था वो निभाते गए. बस